Myself, Dr. Vaishali Patil, Principal of International Institute of Information Technology, Hinjawdi, Pune. At this point of time, I would like to express my sincere gratitude on behalf of our institute towards Mr. Chandra Kumar sir, who is the CEO of Wisely Wise from Singapore. We have an Memorandum of Understanding signed, which is the first step of association between Wisely Wise and I2 IT. As the first initiative, today we have launched the Center of Excellence in Artificial Intelligence at our campus, and the first workshop on conversational AI was conducted for the participants of students and faculty members of I2 IT. Even the participants from Leela Poonawalla Foundation were also part of this event. Through this workshop, we have taken the first step towards online courses which will be monitored by Wisely Wise. This will help us for the skill development of our students to make them more employable in terms of the current technology trends in industry, specifically the AI which we have initiated, and looking forward for furthermore activities in the similar domains. We also would want to expand this horizon, as I2 IT is now the nodal center for all such courses through Wisely Wise. The horizon would be expanded to other educational institutes, some professionals, not only in this conversational AI course, but also in other courses which would be launched by Wisely Wise soon. So we look forward to great success of this initiative and the association of I2 IT with Wisely Wise.